Hello, welcome back, guys. This video is regarding Android Studio, to speed up your Android Studio. Actually, what we can do is that we have to make this Gradle to run offline. Is the first one, and second, make sure that your Android emulator is open all the time. What I mean is, don't just close your emulator once you run your script or your application. So I recommend you to keep it open, though even though your project is closed, or when you open a new project, let your Android emulator be open. And other thing is, few basic settings in Android emulator, which I'll show. Now first thing, just go to settings, search Gradle, sorry, so here just observe that, click on the offline, set this flag to true, and click OK, and go to plugins, sorry, close that and go to plugins and uncheck all the unnecessary plugins which are not required to run for every Gradle run. So whenever you launch some Android project, make sure that these plugins are not set to true or not checked. So uncheck all unnecessary plugins which are not required in our project. So basically uncheck the CVS integration, Firebase, GitHub integration, Google login, Google, is all, it's not required. Basically it's not required. Groovy also not required, so we can uncheck that. So like that. So if you think something is required, then just make sure your plugins are set to true and click on apply, click on OK. We can restart later, just postpone. Then now click on your AVD manager. Make sure your basic Android manager or Android device is with basic minimal feature. Just click on edit. I would like to click on edit. If you want to create, you can create a new virtual device. So make sure, one second, yeah. So set your RAM to around 1 GB to 512. Don't provide more RAM size, and enable device frame, and these are all basic things. And why I selected 5.1 is that if I select 5.1, then later versions will be compatible to that. And also click on finish. Now after clicking on finish, just close it, and now you can now try to run your application. So once the Gradle runs, you can observe how much time it's going to take. Last time it was 27. This time is after reduction, after making all the changes. Let's see how much time it takes now. Click OK. Since it's the first time, it took more time, like 2 minutes 24 seconds. Let me try it again. Let me run it again. Okay, click on run. Let's see now how much time it takes. Just ignore this all. Yeah, 13 seconds. Let's try it again. How much time it takes now? Well, so you have seen that. So it works like a charm. So whenever you launch for the first time, it would take more time. I'm not sure regarding that, but the later when you run the second time or third time or fourth time, it's definitely going to show the effect and make your Android Studio work fast. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.